crystal ball guides Lily. In a far-off land, nestled between the mountains and the sea, there was a small village called Altria. The village was home to a young girl named Lily, who was known for her curiosity and love for adventure. Lily would spend most of her days exploring the village and its surroundings, hoping to discover something new. One day, as Lily was wandering through the forest, she stumbled upon an old, abandoned hut. The hut was surrounded by vines and bushes, and its roof was caving in. Despite its decrepit appearance, Lily felt drawn to the hut and decided to take a closer look. Inside the hut, Lily found a small crystal ball sitting on a table. The ball was smooth and clear, and it seemed to glow with a faint, blue light. Lily picked up the crystal ball and examined it closely, but she couldn't figure out what it was or what it was used for. As Lily was about to leave the hut, she heard a voice calling out to her. "Child, do not be afraid," the voice said. "I am the spirit of the crystal ball, and I have been waiting for someone like you to find me." Lily was surprised and a little frightened, but she listened to the voice and asked, "What do you want from me?" "I have a special gift," the voice said. "I can show you visions of the future and guide you on your journey. But first, you must promise to use my powers for good, and never for evil." Lily thought for a moment, and then made the promise. She knew that she was a good person at heart, and that she would never use the crystal ball for anything other than good. With that, the crystal ball began to glow even brighter, and Lily saw visions of the future flashing before her eyes. She saw a great war that would soon erupt between two neighboring kingdoms, and she saw the destruction and chaos that would follow. Lily was shocked by what she saw, but she knew that she had to do something to prevent the war from happening. She took the crystal ball with her and set off on a journey to warn the rulers of both kingdoms about the impending danger. Along the way, Lily encountered many obstacles and challenges, but she never lost faith in the crystal ball's powers. Whenever she felt lost or unsure, she would consult the crystal ball and it would guide her in the right direction. Finally, after weeks of traveling, Lily reached the two kingdoms and delivered her warning. At first, the rulers were skeptical, but Lily showed them the visions she had seen in the crystal ball, and they knew that she was telling the truth. Thanks to Lily's bravery and the crystal ball's guidance, the two kingdoms were able to negotiate a peaceful resolution to their conflict, and the war was averted. Lily became a hero in the eyes of the people, and she continued to use the crystal ball's powers for good, helping those in need and bringing peace to troubled lands. As the years went by, the crystal ball remained with Lily, and it continued to show her visions of the future. Lily grew old, but she never lost her sense of wonder and curiosity, and she knew that the crystal ball would always be there to guide her on her journey. And so, the crystal ball became a legend in Altria, a symbol of hope and courage, and a reminder that even the smallest things can have the greatest impact on the world.